So this is my house for the next, we'll say 2 days. Since I came home last night and water was dripping from up there. Got a dehumidifier going. We have more fans over here going. There was water coming from there. And if you turn around and you go up the stairs, there are more fans. Oh, and more fans. This is my life for the next 2 days.